Jamaicans stranded at sea rejected again, this time by the government of Portugal.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
So, I have been one of those vocalizing my opinion on the Jamaican government's handling of the coronavirus outbreak. And despite the numerous challenges, a few weak points and some moments of indecision, I think our response has been very creditable. And I have been in agreement of most of the measures that have been implemented by the government so far, with a few exceptions. However, I have been very conflicted in relation to a particular development, and I am one of those who thinks that the government may have seriously dropped the ball re its rejection of approximately 45 Jamaicans aboard the cruise ship Marella Discovery 2. The reality is that despite the current situation, no Jamaican citizen should be abandoned by their own country, especially in a time of global uncertainty. Many are now of the opinion that the government failed to protect our citizens, who are now stranded at sea, trying to dock at ports that has no constitutional obligation to them. Despite that though, some people are countering this narrative, arguing that the country's borders were closed and that an extension was even given. They are also pointing out that the risk of accepting the crew members was too high. However, that stance may have since weakened considerably, since news broke that the government will be accepting scores of deportees from the United States in coming days. Now, let's go back to sea. According to information, the vessel was refueled in Kingston last Thursday, while a request was made to have the Jamaicans disembark. But the government did not respond in time, and the vessel left a day later after receiving no words from the Jamaican government. The ship left Jamaica en route to the Dominican Republic, where its nationals disembarked, then to Portugal. But words came on Sunday that the vessel was also denied landing privileges in Lisbon. The ship has since diverted to the United Kingdom, which has so far seen more than 10,000 coronavirus-related deaths. And information is suggesting that the crew is now seeking to dock in Southampton. Meanwhile, the Wellness Administration has reiterated that it is considering a program for the controlled return of some Jamaican citizens, so we'll see how that goes. But it begs the questions: why did the government not accept the ship workers, screen them, then place them in mandatory quarantine, instead of allowing them to now be at the mercy of foreign nations? And also, would there not have been an outcry from some Jamaicans saying that why accept them when the borders are closed? Whichever way, tough decisions in tough times.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.